Director, Miss Regina Chuafon, to tell us more about Cohen and the program for the doctors. Warm round of applause, please.
And welcome to the Cohen Cook-Off Challenge. Thank you very much for coming today, spending your Tuesday lunch with us, and to hear about our updates on the Cohen program, and also this first ever competition that we will, which is the main event of our event this afternoon. Okay, so just to let you know, the Cohen Cook-Off Challenge basically is a cooking competition where we asked for entries from our existing Cohen clients to showcase who just discovered their cooking talents after having gone through the program. And some have lost a considerable weight already during the course of their journey, weight loss journey. So they're here today to cook their featured recipes, their own featured recipes based on the principles of the Cohen program. Now, what's at stake for them? Of course, there's a grand prize, a 30,000 peso worth of Cohen Kitchen Showcase, basically the essential tools to be able to make Cohen meals. But before that, let me just give you an overview again and our advocacy here in the Cohen's Lifestyle Program. Basically, it's always been our mantra that the Cohen's Lifestyle Program is always food becomes your medicine. So we only use food, natural food, to be healthy, to be slim. Okay? The Cohen's Lifestyle Program, we always say it's not a diet. It is not. It's basically a lifestyle change. A diet is very temporary, but when we say a lifestyle change, we mean forever. Okay? It's scientific, safe, sensible, and sustainable. Okay? Scientific, basically, the Cohen program is based on extensive scientific medical research created by the renowned medical doctor Rami Cohen, who is the creator of the Cohen program. Dr. Cohen, in his research, says obesity is really a disease. It's a condition, a medical condition that can be effectively overcome by a change in lifestyle. He says people who are obese or overweight really are suffering from a hormonal imbalance, okay, which causes a metabolic rate problem that leads to obesity or overweight. Okay, and the program, our program, scientifically corrects this hormonal imbalance to be healthy and slim. So he says if you are feeling any of these symptoms, you could be suffering from the obesity syndrome. You're always hungry, you have food cravings, you have low blood sugar, your energy is very low, you're tired, lethargic, you're bloated, you're retaining water, you can feel the tightness in your hands and your feet, or you're always dieting, you've been on a diet forever, and yet year after year you still find yourself gaining weight. So these are the symptoms that most of our clients are feeling, and that's why they come to us to find to ask for help and find a solution to their weight loss challenges. Okay. The hormones, when I say hormonal imbalance, when we say hormonal imbalance, specifically we're talking about three main hormones in Dr. Cohen's research, which is human growth hormone, which he says is very low, or your insulin is very high, and the third hormone, your serotonin, is also very low. This is the imbalance that we are correcting. Okay? Just some details on the human growth hormone. It's the fat burning hormone. It's the one that it's the one that burns your fat, and also other benefits. It fixes and repairs your cells and slows your aging process. And the serotonin is the feel-good happy hormone. It's the one that controls your cravings. And finally, insulin is the hormone that controls your blood sugar. So all these three hormones was on his scientific research that he says will correct the imbalance that is being that causes weight gain. Okay, it's safe and sensible. This one is the one that I preferred when I personally did the Cohen program also 7 years ago. I think I have my photo there, which I can show you. And this feature of the program, it's all natural. It's just food that you will have to take. It's what really attracted me to the program. So, yes, this was me. Maybe we can look.
How long?
Full screen. This was in 2009 when I did the program, and I had lost a total of 35 kilos, or close to 80 pounds. And this was 7 years ago, and I'm happy to say that I've been maintaining this weight for over 7 years already, and there's no going back. Like I said, it's not a diet. I've done different diets, all the diets out there since I was a teenager. But this is the only one that made me realize that I need to do a change in my lifestyle. Okay? Yes, so now what really attracted me to the program, it's very natural. I'm very pill averse. I don't like taking medicines or drugs or meal replacements or shakes. I've tried meal shakes before, but of course it scares me not knowing exactly what were the ingredients in there. The beauty of the Cohen program is you just have to take natural foods that you buy in the grocery, in the supermarket, what you normally eat. Okay? And later, we will also give you samples of food that our clients really take in. So you will know exactly how simple it is and how tasty. And just by that, just by following the food prescription that you are given, the food quantities, you will see rapid and healthy, safe weight loss. Okay? Exercise also is not necessary on the program. So with or without exercise, it's your internal chemistry that is being corrected. Okay? It's individualized and tailor-fit. How individualized it is, it's based on your blood chemistry, on your blood. So our clients actually undergo blood tests, okay, while on the program, because we say that everyone is metabolically different. Okay? Each one of us process and metabolize food differently. That's why you see some people, how come she can eat anything, she doesn't gain weight? But you eat the same thing, but you gain weight. So that's what it's saying, it's your chemistry. Okay? The food prescription is very individualized. It's not one size fit all. It's not a blood type diet either. So it's a complete blood profile chemistry that is being considered. Okay? So every program will be composed of a delicate balance of protein and carbohydrates that will trigger your body to do what it is naturally designed to do, which is to burn fat. Okay? Our bodies are not designed to store fat. Okay, so our bodies need to take in energy and use that energy also and burn it. So that's what we are correcting. Okay? So the exact weights of your protein and carbohydrates will lead to your weight loss. Okay? Some of our clients, why they liked the program, because just some of the top features that they like about it, it's natural, it's safe, it's just all natural foods. It teaches you to basically eat healthy. I was on the program for about 8 months, so after having gone through 8 months, it really, not just physically, but mentally also, it changes the way you think, the way you see food. And it's all just positive and good after. They find it easy. A lot of our clients find it easy because it's all in your prescription. You just follow it as specifically prescribed. No more, no less. You will see rapid and safe weight loss. I mean, you will see the results right away. There's no guesswork. You don't do plus minus here and there or maybe this and that. It's very precise. That is the unique trait of the Cohen program. It's very precise. You could see a lot of other weight loss options out there. Of course, you do healthy eating, you do portion control and all of that. But this is very specific. You will have our clients weigh their food, everything that they consume, to the gram. Okay. Of course, you might say, oh, it might be too tedious, but actually, it becomes very easy after the first few weeks that you're adjusting on the program. Then it becomes like clockwork. So that notion, they realize later on that it's actually very easy. It's easy. You can easily incorporate it in your lifestyle also. Okay. And if you execute it, you will see guaranteed results for sure. Okay? Just some clients, just showing you some of our clients who have lost and have benefited from the program. Jeff says he feels so light, everything feels so easy to do. The Cohen program got to be the easier diet. You just have the food prescribed. It's very easy. Okay, there's no guesswork, and you just execute, and the results are guaranteed. It's sustainable. Like I said, it's not a diet. It is a lifestyle that we are teaching. After having lost all the weight that you needed to lose, and you are in your target weight, okay, you have we have programs after the weight loss phase, which is the refeeding phase and the maintenance guidelines. This is already the stabilization and the life after the program. So how you can maintain the weight for the rest of your life, how to eat healthily and mindful and in moderation. Okay. If you want to see statistics from thousands of clients in Dr. Cohen's database, on the average, after 4 weeks or a month, they would lose about 7 to 10 kilos already on their first month alone. That's very average. I even remember losing 7 kilos on my first month, which I've never done in the past with all the things I've been doing just to lose the weight. And after 3 weeks, after 3 months or 12 weeks on the program, 20 to 27 kilos weight loss already can be seen from most of our clients. Okay. Now later on, also on top of course the main program to lose the weight, we also want to update everyone that we have already created other support services also to the program. Specifically, namely, we have what we call the My Lifestyle Kitchen. Okay, this is more basically these are our cooking classes that we run every so often. We actually get our Cohen clients who are chefs on Cohen, or even home cooks who just discovered their newfound talent that they can cook well and they can make healthy meals on their own. So those who have a passion for cooking, we have a guest client here who will demonstrate later and teach a few techniques and strategies on the Cohen program on how to make it. And our latest support service that we have launched and has been already ongoing for coming to 1 year now is our Cohen Meals on Wheels. Okay, we have a resident chef who leads this, and later we will introduce her, and she will also explain more about the Cohen Meals on Wheels. Basically, this is our meal delivery system. Okay, for those who are on the go, who do not have time to cook, who just do not have the skills yet, haven't discovered yet their talents on cooking, but they really need to lose weight and want to be healthy, they can go through our Cohen Meals on Wheels to have their food cooked and freshly cooked and delivered to their doorstep through this service. Okay, and it's coordinated and endorsed by. It's the only meal delivery service endorsed by our center. Okay, all right. And that's it. So I hope that you will enjoy this afternoon. Let me give the floor to Kevin again.